Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this EKSA gaming mouse. It's a wired ergonomic gaming mouse with 7 programmable buttons. It has a RGB backlight and an adjustable DPI of up to 8000. The model type is EM110. So here we have the box. You can see already a little bit of the description. So I think this could be a really interesting thing, especially for Christmas, for children, teenager. So here we have it, nicely packaged, protected. Comes even with some instructions, manual in English and a lot of other languages. Here we have some specs and button description. And they have even their website with their driver to download. It looks like it's fully programmable with custom macros and button remaps. But of course you don't have to do that. It works also with standard normal Windows 10 or Windows 11 or macOS drivers. So let's open that here. So here we have it. I would say it has a decent size. It's not one of these super small mice. It has also this description here, and it has this sliding feet, and the wire is really good. Braided wired cable, comes also with this interference suppression and standard USB-A plug. It should be plug and play. We see already the nice illumination here. Yeah, really beautiful, absolutely fantastic. One of the most beautiful designs. We see also the light here underneath. Cord is very long. So let's see if we can already use it. So it's super slow at the moment. So let's change the DPI. We have the DPI here and we have the brightness or color change here. Here we have the forward, we have the back, we have the scroll wheel and the normal left button and normal right button. Everything as we expected. And I would say it has the perfect size for me, for normal adult. So let's change the DPI here and you can see the difference. I hope you can see that, and we change it again and it gets faster and faster and faster. So either you want to change the DPI for different resolutions or you can just use it for the speed of the mouse. I usually use it for the speed of the mouse. You can see a huge difference, slow, faster, faster, faster. And what we can see regarding the color, with the DPI, it changes the color. We can see that here it goes into blue, but not permanently, just temporary, and then it goes back into this multicolored, beautiful design. So that's an awesome thing. So we have both actually. We have the color change with the DPI change, but we still have the normal color on top of that, and we can also change the normal color. Let's wait till it goes back to normal color. And so we have it here. You can see that here we can change. We have this breathing, really beautiful single color breathing mode. Here we have some multi-color. You can see slowly changing. Yeah, reduce the light a little bit and go a little bit closer. So you can see that we have even a off mode, and here single color just slowly pulsing. Yeah, we have so many different modes. It's amazing. Very beautiful modes, single modes or off, breathing, breathing on, off. Yeah, there's something for everybody. So you can see when I change the DPI now in this mode, it will change the color. So it looks like that we have some modes where the DPI is really affecting the colors and some modes where it's not so much or not at all affecting the colors. You have to find out, but really interesting, really nice. So we have something for everybody, absolutely, no doubt. Yeah, I've been trying around for a little bit and it looks like it's very fast, it's accurate, it's ergonomic, it's very comfortable. We can also click very fast. You can see that here. I mean, I'm an old guy, but still reach 7 CPS. That's not bad, I think. Here also a short test of the mouse wheel. You can see the ups and the downs are very even, so there's almost no difference. Very good. So there's not much to complain. It's really beautiful, versatile, has a lot of functions. I love the colors. I love everything. Also the wheel. I've seen some complaints about the wheel, but I can't find really a problem. I mean, we have to be aware that we are talking about a mouse for $10 or $15. I think normal standard price $15. Now at the moment you can get it for $10 with all these functions, features, color, everything for $10. I mean, this is not like a pro gaming mouse. Doesn't have like super special white balancing options, these things. No absolute pro features or so, but as a beginner, I would say, let's say for children or even teenage, this could be an awesome thing, even an awesome gift for Christmas or so. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.